Born DS7 Crossback in 2018, then becoming DS7 Tout Court, during its restyling at the end of 2022, the compact SUV, 4.59 meters long, was based on the EMP2 platform which it shared, in particular, with the Peugeot 3008-2. Logically, its replacement, the DSN Degree 7, will take over the new STLA medium platform inaugurated by the 3008-3 and used, in particular, by the DSN Degree 8 and the new Citroën C5 Aircross. These new undersides will allow it to change size, without reaching the dimensions of its big sister, the N Degree 8. 4.82 meters long, the N Degree 7 should be longer than the DS7 and flirt with 4.70 meters. 4.59 meters for the DS7. In terms of style, the SUV will be largely inspired by the DSN Degree 8, particularly at the front where we find the